What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. All right, talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, alright? So all you gotta do is just click the link in it and direct you to my real page. I got a lot of fake social media platforms, got a lot of people making fake pages, scamming people with my face. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're seeing this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today we're going to be talking about a place where you can get $40,000, up to $40,000 in personal loan, bad credit. You must have a FICO score of 550. You can't have a 300. You can't have a 400. You have to have at least a 550 credit score to be qualified to get up to $40,000 in this personal loan. Now, if you haven't been watching my videos that I have been making previously, I give a lot of information on how you can get approved for the type of loan that you want. Can't just watch my video and just go apply and think you're going to get a bad credit $40,000 loans. They don't work like that. It's a lot of different factors that play in the part of getting these high loans. Now, it's very, 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 very possible for anybody to be able to get these loans. But you have to have your business in order. You have to have your documents and things like that in order to be able to get this loan. It's just not about your credit score. I know a lot of people that don't have bank accounts. I know a lot of people who don't have a lot on their credit. I know a lot of people who never even made $40,000 a day in their life. So when I make these videos, I need you guys to really pay attention to what I'm telling you to do before you go jump and apply for these loans, because I want to see everybody having a chance to at least get some money. Now, another thing. When these loans when they say $5,000 to $40,000 or $300,000 to $10,000, something like that, that is the range of the amount that you can get. The lowest you can get is $300,000. The highest you can get is whatever, right? Just because you apply for 40 or 20, whatever loan you apply for, does not mean you're going to get approved for it. A lot of people, now listen, these lenders and these banks, how you get approved for a loan is all on paper. They go off what's on paper. Some of them go off what you say, but most of them go off what's on paper, what you have on your credit profile, and are you paying back whatever you have on your credit profile on time? Because they want to see that you got enough money to pay back this loan, and what's your payment history. Have you ever had any other loans, installment loans, that you had to pay back, and have you been paying them back on time, or have they been delinquent? That's what they want to see. They want to see your credit mix. They want to see all that. Because at the end of the day, they want to make sure they can get their money. So if anybody out there, I'm going to tell you right now, anybody out there that does not have direct deposit or put money regularly in their bank accounts every other week, or a lump sum every month, you're not going to get approved for none of these loans. Your paperwork, you have no paper trail at all. And I told you and I explained to you guys how to create a paper trail. Put your money through ADP payroll provider, direct deposit that money from there, and now you have a paper trail of your money that you're getting paid, that you're quote unquote getting paid. Now they see that. And then when they go check your credit report, you got those trade lines on there that I told you to add, and how I told you to add them, and you deleted those collections off your account. Now you got exceptional payment history on your credit for high limit trade lines and AU accounts. You're making it look good. You have to make it look good. It has to look good in order for you to get approved for any type of loan. and I'm going to say this again. You guys' paper trail does not equal up to what you're trying to get. So please stop wasting y'all time trying to get approved for some loans that y'all almost know y'all not going to get. Get y'all paper trail and y'all business together. Do what I told y'all to do. And then go and try to apply for these loans. And there's actually people out there in the world that get what I'm saying, and they do that and they get approved. It's a lot of people who get approved for these loans, because at the end of the day, I'm not the one who are presenting these loans. These are not my sites. These are not my lenders. None of this is mine. This is just information that I received that I give to you guys. Point blank, period. So you guys have to understand, just because it's a bad credit loan doesn't mean you're going to automatically be approved for the loan because you have bad credit. So please stop commenting and getting mad like, oh, that's false. I didn't get approved. Everybody's not going to get approved because everybody doesn't qualify. Everybody's situation is different. And 9 times out of 10, a lot of people don't have a job or paperwork isn't together to get approved. All right. So today we're going to be talking about Happy Money. They're giving out between $5,000 and $40,000 to people with 550 credit scores or better. Now, in order to get approved for this loan, like I said, you need to have your information together. You need to have your paper trail together. So before you go jump to apply for these loans, make sure you either got a job that you're getting direct deposit from, you're making deposits into your bank account every week, every other week, or a lump sum every month, or you're putting your money through ADP payroll provider and you're getting direct deposits to your bank account. Once you do that, then I want you to go add those 2 to 3 trade lines on your credit. And before you add trade lines, please clean it up like I told y'all to clean it. Go see what y'all credit, all the collections on your account. Then go to Experian freeze, Equifax freeze, and TransUnion freeze, and freeze all your credit bureaus. Then go back and dispute all those accounts, and then wait up to 15 days to start seeing drop-offs. Then add the trade lines accounts. Let it marinate. Then go apply for the loan. And without further ado, let's see where you're going to apply for this loan. Happy Money. All right, happymoney.com. You only get happier from here. All right, so personal loans with your best interest at heart. Check my rate. I have an invite code. Some people get codes. So simple and transportation lending process built with your happiness in mind, funded by community-focused lending partners. Money doesn't buy happiness, but with us, money can be a tool for happiness. We believe that personal loans can help you accomplish your goals. It is not lending at any cost, as lending made happier. All right, so the most customer-centric company in France by Forbes. Happy Money has been featured by all these different people. The payoff loan, a payoff credit card debt, and fund your happiness. All right, so personal loans between $5,000 and $40,000, rates as low as 11.50 APR. Check my rate. The best personal loans of February 22. So make it one simple monthly payment. Apply in 2 minutes or less. Save money on interest. All right, Happy Money really helped me feel better with myself because I was a step closer to being debt free. Now I've made a promise to never be in debt again. Y'all know how that go. So, like I said, they got the $40,000. So it's a personal loan to pay off credit cards or anything. Personal loans between $5,000 and $40,000. They got different rates. So with a simple interface and quick application process to pay off loans, streamlines paying off credit card debt, stress less, save money, control, personal support. They got resources. You could check your rate. So just type in your information, check your rate, different rates. Everybody's situation would not be the same. So, yeah, Happy Money, they're giving out $40,000. Go check them out. Take them steps that I told you in the beginning of the video to have a better success rate of getting approved. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Happy money. The payoff loan up to $40,000. And yes, you can get approved for some thousands as long as you take the steps that I told you guys in the beginning of the video. I want to see everybody getting approved. I want to see everybody happy. I want to see everybody getting the money that they need. And I want to see everybody doing what they're supposed to do with this money when they do get approved. Because like I said, like I preach all day, every day, knowledge is power. The more information that you know about something, the easier it'll be for you to be able to accomplish anything that you want to do. The more knowledge that you have about anything that you have, the more it'll be easier for you to do what you need to do. Point blank, period. All right, so let's just please watch the video throughout the video so you guys can understand and know certain things and won't be mad when somebody, if I'm telling you certain things and y'all still coming to me asking the same things when I'm in the video. That's kind of irritating. So I want to see everybody get their credit together. I want to see everybody building their personal credit so they can use it as a personal guarantor towards their business credit so they can start really getting the money and the loans that they really need to get. And start, becoming an entrepreneur. Pay yourself. I want to see everybody paying itself. Investing, making passive income. Getting their credit together. Being able to go to car lots and be able to get any car that they want to get off the lot without no money down. All that good stuff like that. Because you deserve it. And if you don't, then go do something so you do deserve it. And that's getting your life together, getting your credit together, getting your business together. Stop having people dictate how much you get paid a month or year. And you be the person that dictate how much you get paid a month or year. Because you're an entrepreneur. You came up with some type of knowledge or some type of brand or something to sell to people. Because the most richest, wealthiest people in the world are the people who have things to offer to people. So, tap in, man. Get y'all gems, man. Get y'all information, man. Shout out to all my new King Hussle fans and supporters and subscribers, the old ones too, because without y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping sauce. Y'all motivate me keep doing all these videos. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained, man. So shout out to y'all. We're going to keep building. We're going to keep growing. We're going to keep adding people to the roster. Still looking for people for the production company. Actors, rappers, models, content creators, producers, cameraman. Tap in. Music reviews, $200. Beautiful ladies, tap in. You a good cameraman. You Houston, Texas, got a 4K camera and you actually shoot the video and you actually edit the video. Real videographer. Tap in. Let's work. Let's run these views up. Let's get paid. Unlimited Gems is $1,200. FaceTime one-on-ones. Unlimited Gems is all the information that you need to know. I need y'all to please stop writing me in my DMs, asking me the same questions that I say in every video and I post all over the place. So Unlimited Gems, FaceTime one-on-ones is $1,200. Unlimited Gems, everything that you need to know. Mentorships is $2,500. I'm going to put y'all together. We're going to make YouTube channels together. We're going to make passive income together. I'm going to teach y'all the sauce. I'm going to teach y'all how to make a lot of good money, fast, passive income money with a lot of different things. Book your seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person Unlimited Gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. I'm going to show y'all how to make a lot of money. If I got to come out of state to you, it's going to be $4,500. $35 you come to state to me, $500 deposit. That's we're going to pick your day. We'll go from there, man. And make sure y'all just tapping in, man. Come to get these gems. Come to get y'all life together because it's really finna have fun. May finna come up. We're going to be in Miami. We doing interviews. We doing music videos, skits, blogs, all that good stuff. So the production company finna take off, man. You ready to come get your chain? You ready to come get your watch? Tap in. Don't miss out because we finna really take off. A lot of good product finna be coming out of H&E. So make sure you tapping in, man. It's your boy King Hussle. Make sure y'all subscribe to all them other YouTube channels and hit the all notification bell so when I drop that giveaway video, you'll be alerted and you'll know what to do. If you missed out, that's oh well, that's on you. In my community post, all my Telegram and places where to meet me and all my prices is in there. So please be on y'all stuff, on y'all business when y'all contact me or you will not get a response. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.